Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ft.ELFINHAIR, okay, and this is the package that we got. So let's get into it. I got a drawstring bag. This is actually what has the wig in it, which we're gonna get into in a few. All right, I also got an information card which just give you information on how to care for the hair and about the company, do's and don'ts and all that good stuff. I got a pair of HD wig caps, a bonnet, all right, a branded elastic headband, and that's everything for goodies. Now this is the wig that we're working with, and I'm super excited because today's wig is a 3-in-1 half wig, a glueless invisible half wig, raw Burmese curly human hair wig, and it has a drawstring in the back. As I'm showing you, the cap is very breathable. It's a medium cap size and it has adjustable straps. All right, there are also 3 combs in the front. All of these really help to keep the wig secure on your head once you go to apply it. Now what I love with this is that it is an invisible half wig, so you see that curvature right here that I'm showing you. The surge is not being exposed at all, so when you go ahead and apply this to your head, you cannot easily see that surge when you go ahead and blend your natural hair with the wig whatsoever. I absolutely love that. As you can see, it's a 1B color. The curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I was just adjusting the straps to where I want it to be here in the back, and this is the drawstring portion. Super easy to adjust. As you can see, if you want to adjust it, you take the first knob and you lock that in place with the second one. All right, so now let's go ahead and slip this onto my head. This is the braid pattern I did to install today's half wig. So I did like straight back braids, and then the two pieces at the front are really what I'm gonna unravel, and that's going to blend with the wig. Okay, so this is how you go ahead and apply it. You stick the combs into the braid, into your braid. The 3 combs, I stick them in and it was not uncomfortable at all. Okay, so that's what I did to kind of just adjust it onto my head, and it is so quick, so easy, very beginner friendly, like no experience needed. Literally just follow this video. Okay, and I think this is the perfect braid pattern to go ahead and rock with a half wig like this. Look at that. If you want to do a ponytail, you could do that. Okay, like just blend your hair back with the wig and you're good to go. So this is me adjusting the drawstring on my head. First I go ahead and just make sure that everything is aligned properly, and then I take the drawstring and pull it to where I want it to pretty much be snugged, and I take the first knob, slide it down, and then I lock everything in place to keep it very secure with the second knob. That's what I just did. And then for the excess string, I tuck that beneath the cap. Not technical at all, super easy. Anybody can do this. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time to do an installation like this at all. It doesn't take a lot of experience, and you can look really snatched. Okay, I feel like a wig like this would be perfect for vacation, but you see how secure this is? I'm shaking it from side to side, and there's no shifting at all. So what I did is kind of just go ahead and added some product to my leave out, and my leave out is not the same texture as the wig, as you can see, but you can go ahead and finesse and do different styles to conceal things. So I did do like 2 different looks. I did my little swoops in the front. You don't have to, it's all up to you, it's all optional, but this is the first style I did. I did like 2 little braids and then pull them to the back, and it's cute, it's cute, but I wanted to do something else, so I did go ahead and kind of brush my hair further in to the rest of the hair, and you're gonna see that in a bit. But look at how beautiful this curl pattern is. The Burmese curly texture is definitely doing it. So what I did right here is actually got the hair a bit wet, and I added some mousse to it to even like define the curl pattern more. Okay, and then in a bit I'm gonna go ahead and kind of brush my natural hair back into the wig even more, so I can get it a little bit more laid and blending with the half wig.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed, skipping out and no, I can't.
So this is how it looks. I did apply some mousse to my natural hair as well, and you see that it looks even better once I do this. So yeah, I know guys, it'll come from me. This is the first time I'm recall wearing a half wig, by the way, and you know, a flip over hair look is trending right now. I feel like a lot of girlies are like, oh, they can't, you know, bother with a lace, they really can't deal with, you know, the lace wigs, you know, like that right now. They want something that is low maintenance rather. I feel like a wig like this is definitely low maintenance. You don't have a lace to worry about, you know, no lifting worries, no cast, none of that, especially if you don't have experience in that department. You know, a wig like this could very much suit you much better. And as I say, I pointed out that it does have a breathable cap construction, so your hair doesn't feel like it's stifling beneath the wig. Okay, so you see that looks much better now that I kind of added more product and blended everything. I took a little bit more time to blend everything down. You see that? It looks really good. So you guys know I love a good headband look. It's just my thing. Okay, so I go ahead and I get my white headband and I kind of just slip that on to the top, and everything looks even more seamless. You don't have to do this part, let me point that out, but this is something I like to do. This is just an additional step to the styling. You don't have to do this, but I'm just giving you guys options. Okay, so you could go ahead and explore, see what suits you best. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Shout out to Elfin Hair. This half wig is a 10. The hair is soft, by the way. I didn't get much shedding. It's very low maintenance. That's it for today's wig look. If you're interested in it, the link for it is down below. All the specifications are listed down below. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and like this video, share this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.